If you have been using commercial bin services and recycling for any period of time, you will be aware that prices tend to increase, and yes, they only tend to go in one direction, on the 1st of July every year. This is the standard in the Australian waste management industry, when landfills, recycling facilities, haulage companies, and even the state governments increase their rates. This of course can have a big impact on the price that companies pay for their waste management. In recent years, state governments have been putting larger and larger levies on dumping at landfill, and this will have a very big increase on general waste costs in Queensland this year. So, why do state governments put a levy on dumping at landfill? Many state governments have put a levy, and increased it almost every year, to encourage recycling, by making recycling relatively cheaper, and also as a way to raise finances to pay for new recycling facilities. Of course, like all things in state finances, it is not always clear if all the money is used to boost recycling, or is it just really another hidden tax on business. In July 2019, Queensland will implement a $75 plus GST cost on every tonne of general waste dumped at landfill. Currently, there is no levy in Queensland, and this has created a huge cost differential versus New South Wales. This differential has been so large, i.e. over $200 per tonne, that in recent years an entire industry has grown up basically shipping trash from Sydney to Brisbane for dumping. The sheer waste of energy and pollution caused by this trade is staggering. The new levy in Queensland is expected to stop this, or at least severely reduce the financial reasons for doing it. So how much will this levy impact your bin costs in Queensland? As the levy introduced on July 1st, 2019, will be $75 plus GST per tonne, and will increase of course in future years, we can provide some back of an envelope calculations as to how much your bin costs will increase. This of course applies to customers of Waster and any other waste company. If you are an office, for example, with a once a week pickup of a 240 litre wheelie bin, you will see prices per collection increase by roughly $1.10 plus GST. For larger and heavier bins, the impact will be much more significant. For a restaurant with a 3 metre bin collected weekly, you will likely see an increase of roughly $23 plus GST per collection. This is certainly a large increase and explains why you should work to boost recycling as much as possible. Check out waster.com.au for lots more recycling info, or call us on 1300 927 837.